Hello all, welcome to another session on Python for data science. Today we'll continue with the data structures in Python. So in the previous video, we looked at what is list, right? So what is list and whole lot other content associated with lists. How do you create new list, adding new lists, clearing new lists, and whole lot of that, right? So today we'll continue with one more built-in data structure called tuple. Okay. So what basically is a tuple? Tuple is very similar to a list. So whatever operations we did look at lists are very it's similar in tuple as well, but there's actually one major difference. Okay. So what is the major difference is tuples are immutable. Okay, so what do I mean by that is, say I create a new tuple. So basically I'm creating a new tuple. So tuple are denoted by parentheses. Okay. Now you can easily check the type of tuple, say my underscore tuple, right? It's basically a tuple. Now you can easily subset it. Subsetting is not a problem, but what is the problem is you try to change the values. All right, you immediately get an error. So it does not support item assignment. So that is what is the major difference. Okay? That is what is the major difference between a tuple and a list. So tuples are immutable data structures. So once you create it, right? So once you create a tuple, you can't change it. That is what is the major difference. Okay. So, but basically, what you can do is you can add two tuples. All right, you can do all of that. So you will be, whenever you add two tuples, you'll be saving it in another tuple. So that does not cause any problems. So only problem is once you create a tuple, you can't change it. But you can definitely do other operations on it as well, right? So say, just to give you an example of all the built-in methods on tuple, right? So it's basically a count and an index. So whatever we saw count over there, right? So the same idea. So count will give you the count of the number of times that particular element repeats. Okay, that is what the method count will tell you. What will index tell you is index will tell you, say, what is the index of this particular value, right? Again, it's very similar to whatever you had seen in the list as well. So you just mention a value, and you want to know the value, you want to know the index of that particular value. That is where that function comes in handy. Okay. So so tuple works with sort of all built-in functions. So it works with all. So there are a whole lot of built-in functions in Python. So it works with all of that. So the only problem is, the only restriction on tuple is you cannot edit the elements. Now, what is the advantage of this is this is used a lot in dictionary keys. Okay, and certain operations are more faster in tuple. That is because since tuple you cannot change any this thing, right? You cannot change the tuple, so the memory location for it is fixed. So that is one of the main reasons why certain operations on tuple are faster in comparison to list. Right? So iterating over tuple is faster. So this is what more or less on tuples. This is what covers the fundamentals on tuples. So the next class, in the next video, we'll discuss what are dictionaries and different ways, different operations with it. Okay, guys. Thank you. See you in the next video.